Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make these two super cute computer laptop cases. And don't forget to like and subscribe because it really helps me out and I love you forever. My computer is a MacBook, but you can do this with any computer. You just have to buy the case that fits yours. So I'm going to be doing a collage one and a painted one. So first you're going to need to get your cases. Obviously, I got mine off of Amazon. I'll link it down below. And then I cleaned it off with some alcohol just to make sure everything was clean. You're going to need some paint to paint, a multi-purpose paint, and then some paintbrushes, Mod Podge, and scissors, and something to put your paint on. And I'm just going to be painting one whole case a gray color, and I actually did 3 coats of the paint. It might have been easier to have gotten a spray paint, but I just used the brush craft paint.
On my own, but I don't know why you hit the road, but you don't realize I won't look back when you're around. I won't think twice when you're gone. Don't hesitate to call me back, 'cause I won't be there. I won't look back when you're around. I won't think twice when you're gone. Don't hesitate to call me back, 'cause I won't be there.
And then for over top of the whole section, vent section, I put some tape over it so I wouldn't have to worry about going around the section, and it'd be a perfectly straight line. Then for your second case, you're going to need to find some pictures that you like and print them off. Here's some pictures I found. There's some of ones I've taken, and then some I found on Pinterest, and then some sayings that I liked. And then you're going to have to cut them out. And then for this case, I only painted the bottom piece a color, and I used that turquoise color. And that color actually took 4 coats because it was kind of transparent. And then after I painted all the 3 pieces 3 times or 4 times, I put a layer of Mod Podge over top of it to protect it.
I won't look back.
Once you've cut out all your pictures, then you're going to want to, before gluing them down, figure out the placement you want. So here I am putting them places, seeing how I'd like them, and seeing how they turned out. And I actually ended up printing out the exact amount that I needed.
I won't look back. I don't know why she told me so.
Once you figure out where you want everything to be placed on your case, take a picture of it on your phone so you don't forget where everything was, and you can look at it while you're gluing it on. Then you're going to take your Mod Podge and use it as glue and brush it onto the back of each picture and place it onto the spot that you planned for it to be. And if you forget, you can look at your picture that you took of it so you know where to put the picture in the exact spot.
It's your fault, but you don't realize that I never wonder what's the truth in your eyes. There's a light that makes me blush. I won't look back when you're around. I won't think twice. 'cause I won't be there. I won't look back when you're around. I won't think twice when you're gone. Don't hesitate to call me back, 'cause I won't be there. I won't look back.
Baby, got me staring at you. So I'm crazy. Won't you bend that back for me? We won't stop. Got your feet both locked. You get to fly with me. I can take you down for a ride. I take you around my life. Jaywalking, crosswalking, lip locking, but you, I know it, you know it. We make it.
Then I took the Mod Podge and a big brush and I went over the whole entire picture case once the pictures were all stuck down 3 times so that the pictures would be nice and secure and wouldn't come up. And I let the Mod Podge dry 20 to 30 minutes in between each coat. Then for my painted case, now that it's dry, I'm just taking random colors that I picked. I picked a dark gray, copper color, turquoise, pink, and black, and I'm just making little spots, paint, speckle thingies, whatever you'd call this, wherever I feel like, to make a cool design. And then like little dots and circles and triangles, whatever design you want to do. This is just the design I did because I really like it.
Take you down for a ride. I take you around my life. Jaywalking, crosswalking, lip locking, but you, I know it, you know it, we make it. Oh my baby. So I'm crazy.
Then you let that all dry, and then you're going to go in with your black and make even more design. I am making like a plant leaf design and then black spots over top of the other designs that I already did and little Dalmatian spots and whatever you feel like doing. A little chevron section, whatever you feel like you want to do on your case.
Oh my baby, got me staring at you. So I'm crazy. Won't you bend that back for me? We won't stop. Got your feet both locked. You get to fly with me. I can take you down for a ride. I take you around my life. Jaywalking, crosswalking, lip locking, but you, I know it, you know it, we make it.
Once it was done, I put a layer of the Mod Podge on it to secure the paint. And then this was my final 2 cases. And thanks for watching. Stay tuned for the next video. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you later. Bye.
So I'm crazy.